Hey everyone, today we are watching Csgo insane moments together. Let's see if it is actually legendary. Alright, let's start.
Smoke goes down,
He's very patient.
lively, but
And wait, yeah. Yeah! Incredible. Incredible. It is not luck. He is very talented man. He is very clever man. It is clean. It is really clean.
Oh, hell yeah.
For sure. He's outside of the doorway.
Oh, and he got a kill.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god!
For the first time in competitive
It is
play,
incredible.
3-4
What?
points off the RA.
It is incredible.
Strong and decent. Strong and decent.
Strong and decent.
Kind of like you, Jason.
Yeah. Coining that one.
That's his thing.
Yeah,
Guys, Heaven is open.
very clever.
Open.
Very talented.
Oh, come on.
Yeah! That is no luck.
It's almost there. We've got 4 players here, or maybe even only 3.
That would be. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see
You
the
do
rage.
want to see it, Henry.
The
We all want to
rage
see
that
it.
would come in the tilt and.
Most player
They
would
have to
panic here,
Here comes the
but
USPs.
he
They
just
don't
wait.
expect it. They're already really far out. Where's that smoke? Where's that kit coming up? There we go.
Yeah,
Trying to line it up.
very
Floppy.
cool.
The defuse is happening. They're not there quick
Very
enough.
cool, very cool.
In mid, I love this for Rain. 3, 2, 1, and out it goes. What a play!
Oh my god.
This level.
It's
Actually come to the
insane.
point now where his smoke can take over. He doesn't have to put himself in jeopardy. They're running through this. Oh my god, they're actually gonna come, yeah.
Very clever, it's clean.
Double no scope
It's
play.
really clean. Yes.
Just
It
a
is
big
amazing.
version of Coldzera on the ground, baby.
Down, but you've got 5 members of FaZe.
Yeah. He's wait.
Three to
He's just wait
indeed.
and kill him.
Now that's down. He'll contribute.
Yeah.
Bro spotting this.
He's very
AWP.
patient.
YouTube, it doesn't want to put on.
Just wait
Look at, oh, bro will get 2.
and do it.
A third is crazy. Bro can come back.
Oh my god!
Just from bro.
It is insane. It is really insane. Looks cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's very clear.
Romeo, guys.
Yeah, I think he's right.
Watch this.
B rush.
Not a C.
Watch
Round over,
this.
half done.
Orbs already on the floor. And 4 big clan imminent. Unless Nico's dig hits more than that. He's got
This
2.
part is legendary. Yeah. Yes.
Nico!
Amazing.
Torrent! Full with the
He is
dig.
superhero.
5 and ace.
He is really superhero. That's amazing.
Injury.
Man, they got 2 hops on this cross like bishops in the corners, and Twitch will take one down.
Yep, he slides up well enough. JKS
What?
does indeed die, but
What?
Twist doubles back. And he catches another player off of catwalk,
Yes.
drops in the pocket.
Clean.
Oh, wow.
Clean. Really clean.
Keep the power, turn it up.
Yes. Yes. That's pure experience.
Throwing this away, what's he doing? Is he crazy?
Who am I watching?
I just didn't understand.
Really very experienced man.
Just trying to sell his life so that Cywoo can succeed.
Yes. Yes. This part is legendary. Yes. He is superhero. He is real superhero.
Cywoo's first round at Cologne is an ace in the pistol
Most
round.
players will panic here. He just wait.
Shout out to Flames, ensuring that with that flashbang he swung wide to activate.
It is really
Cywoo's play.
position.
What a way to start Cologne. He's following somebody, so this corner is
Yeah.
probably occupied.
Yes.
And Cadian's quick scope
It's
is
very
on
clean.
the money.
It's not a
Smoke
luck.
grenade over towards ramp as Rops just rushes this downwards. Cadian gets back into the doors.
Yes.
With eyes on vent, he doesn't know. Can't sense it yet. But
One
every
more
year,
decision
Cadian
and
seems to
the
kick it
round
off with
is
a
our.
clutch down on this B side of Nuke. He hears Rops.
Yes. Very correct decision.
Jester makes a fool of FaZe.
Frozen revealed around the corner. Brolin seeing that he wasn't alone. Now Yimpat's hearing steps charging down to
Yes.
me, but can he
Yes. Yes.
What is that from Yimpat?
Very clean.
That is such
Very
a special
clean.
yet again from Yimpat, and he can't quite believe the
To deliver a pistol round like this. I can't even comprehend it.
Oh my god.
Loki probably
That
can't
is
even
very
comprehend
clean.
it. Jake could find Nerds here, didn't spot him. Dexter's AWP is such a problem, but nice,
No.
so is the AK of JL. A double kill from him. Nade lands square on the jaw of Dexter and a flash to try and relocate. Well, he's playing a very dangerous game. Imen not
No, man,
anticipating
this
a
is
second
bullshit.
kiss and trade the death
This
of
is
Welome.
really bullshit.
Jail's doing it all. Can he come up
What
clutch?
the fuck
This
was
would
that,
be
bro?
monstrous.
What the fuck was that?
And Jail,
Yes. Yes. Let's go, baby. That's
Yeah,
clean.
Ops, he really wanted to find something as the smoke popped it there, but
Yeah.
couldn't really do it. Oh,
Yes.
good job.
Very clean.
This-